Hi, I'm Gautam. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a skateboarder. I wanted to do this trip from a long time. Actually, it was supposed to happen sometime, in last year, but I was busy with other things. Then I got injured, and the whole motive behind it is to explore new skate spots and skate basically, skate all the spots possible. Take my homies with me and introduce them to the new spots, new skaters, new kind of culture. So all put together. It's what skaters do basically.
Hi India, my name is Edgar. I came here in 1996 to Oroville particularly, and back then we started surfing with my friend Juan and Samay, and we started also skating. So we thought that the time had come to build a skate park far away from any shop or. So either you come prepared or you'll be dehydrated in like 10 minutes.
And what you're doing is great, Edgar.
I wish I could like get a good support and really put up together a good development so that this place can be enjoyed.
Yeah.
National wise. Like some people from all around India can come and say.
My name is Sunny. I built this place in '99 as a backyard, just as a playing place for my kids. And it became a place for my kids and their friends, and it grew and it became part of a school program. And they were here like thrice a week skating, and I was teaching them how to skate. I'm not a skater myself, I'm a snowboarder. I could teach the basics, so once they got the moves and I taught them how to fall and roll, they did everything else themselves. The transitions and the moves here, they were just like all bitten by the skate bug, and they were really happy. And yeah, so it was a really sweet scene that happened here for many years.
मेरा नाम निखिल सिलेटकर है, मैं स्केटबोर्डर हूँ, 6 साल से स्केटबोर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ.
Hi, I'm Shubham Surana. I'm from Pune. I'm a skateboarder. Been skating since 6 years now, almost 7.
मेरे को गौतम डी कामत का कॉल आया और फिर मेरे को पता चला कि मैं टूर पे जा रहा हूँ. मैं ये जगह पे कभी नहीं आया, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था. मेरे को सर्फर लोग काफ़ी अच्छे लगे, वो लोग बहुत चिल थे. यहाँ मेरे को चेन्नई का स्पॉट सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, स्ट्रीट स्पॉट.
Skateboarding is all about, traveling with friends and like, skating all the street spot you see, no matter how bad or how good it is. And being in a place where you haven't been before, it's just that you're looking around everywhere, just, constantly just looking for spots. It's a surreal feeling. And like being on this tour, it's so amazing. It's pretty hot out here. Like East Coast is pretty hot, but then like the sun is good for us, so it's pretty good.
We happened to go to Kovalong for the first. The second leg of the trip was Pondicherry, and then we are here at Madras Wheelers and exploring Chennai skate spots.